How to fix invalid MS-DOS function error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Navigate to the problematic file's location. Right-click the file and choose Properties. Look under the Attributes section at the bottom. If Read Only is checked, uncheck it. Click Apply, then OK. Test the file again to see if the issue persists. Corrupted system files can cause unexpected errors. Running SFC, System File Checker, and DISM, Deployment Image Servicing and Management, can find and repair these files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. A malfunctioning disk or bad sectors can lead to various errors. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work,